Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Chevy Cruze LS, stock number Z5828C. Only 31,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Color is called Red Hot. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. No dents or dings in the body. This LS has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 31,000 miles with driver information system. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a spacious glove box with all the materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.8 liter, 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average, 22 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 35 on the highway, and approximately 40% tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ5828C to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.